In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy NFL Game Pass. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in DAZN.com, press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of DAZN. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to buy the NFL Game Pass, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you log into your account, you'll be led to the home interface. Now in order to buy the NFL Game Pass, what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find this option for NFL subscription and click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options like pay-per-view, NFL Game Pass, NHL.tv, etc. Make sure NFL Game Pass is selected. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for see NFL plans. Click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to choose your plan. You'll be able to find two options over here, Season Pro, Weekly Pro. If you click on the option Weekly Pro, you'll be able to see the weekly plans over here. If you click on the option Season Pro, you'll be able to find the seasonal plans over here. Now over here, you'll be able to see the plans. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see what's included in this plan. You can see over here, you'll be able to enjoy many features. For example, if you buy the plan for Season Pro Ultimate, you'll be able to see what's included over here. You'll be able to watch every game live and on demand, including NFL, Red Zone, the playoffs and Super Bowl. Also, you'll be able to get the multi-view. Also, you'll be able to enjoy HDR and Dolby 5.1. Also, you'll be able to find other features as well. So if you want to buy the plan, click on this option Buy Now that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find two options, pay on installments, pay upfront. You'll also be able to see the price over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to choose how to pay. You'll be able to see the amount of payment that you'll have to do. You'll be able to find two options over here, credit and debit card, PayPal. What you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. If you click on the option PayPal, you'll have to log into your PayPal account. Simply check on this box. After you do that, click on this option, continue to PayPal. Log into your account and you'll be able to pay via the PayPal. If you click on this option, credit and debit card, you'll have to enter the card details over here. Simply enter the card number, expiry date and CVV. Make sure to enter the correct card details. After you enter the card details, what you have to do is scroll down and click on this option Pay Now that you can see on the screen. Now after that, simply complete the payment. After the transaction has been completed, that particular plan will be bought. So like this, you'll be able to buy the NFL Game Pass. So that is how you buy NFL Game Pass. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.